Hey baddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nospio Sole and we do all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So stay tuned if you guys want to see this get revenge look. No, I'm kidding. We don't do revenge here. We are baddies. We don't do revenge here. We just move on, heal, and enjoy life. So yeah, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells so you guys can know when I post my next video.
Hey baddies, so obviously we will always start off with amazing skin prep. Like if you're expecting your makeup to last you all day, if you're expecting your makeup to not separate, be patchy, or do some weird snack stuff, you always need to make sure that your skin prep is amazing. I don't know why my focus ring is just not doing its thing right now. But yeah, I always start off with a toner. So the toner that I'm currently using right now is the Ordinary toner, and I think it's amazing because it's got glycolic acid. So it also is some sort of a peel, is some sort of when I say peel, I mean some sort of an exfoliant. So that's amazing for me because I don't like to go in with like harsh scrubs, mostly because of the micro balls that they have inside. They're not really good for the planet, and I'm trying to be more educated when it comes to stuff like that. So I'm still looking for stuff that is just more friendly for everyone. I don't need to look pretty just for my earth to die. It doesn't make sense to me. It will never make sense to me. So whatever I can do on my side, I want to really be impactful in whatever way that I can be. So I obviously went in with my vitamin C serums. So I pack my serums based on their weight, so that every time that I apply a new product, I don't want it to peel the product that is underneath. And always make sure to give it like a breather, guys, like a minute or like a while to just let the product sit in, especially if you're doing some sort of skin prep before makeup. Always make sure to let that product sit in so that you're not wasting product and it's not fading away with your makeup brush. So after that, I went in with my retinoid serum because it's nighttime. I use my retinoid serum. Retinoid is like amazing. So it's retinoid has all of the other added ingredients into it, including retinol. So retinol is amazing as well, same as retinoid, especially when it comes to like skin texture. So as someone with acne prone skin texture is very, very important to me. So I always need to make sure that, hey girl, like this makeup look needs to make sense. Like I can't be doing makeup but the skin prep is not giving. Things happen. Yes, I have acne, but I try my best, Shem. I do my best. I show up to the table, I show up to the task. But my acne has really been not doing the things that I wanted to do. So I think it's time that I actually do walk into that office and see a dermatologist, because I can't keep doing this. I can't keep playing this game of buying overpriced products just for certain things not to be working for my skin. So always remember as well that like certain products won't work for certain kinds of acne because some of these products are generic. They're for the public, so they're not tailor making each product for just your skin. A dermatologist will be able to help you with that, So then I also went in with my niacinamide, and yeah, everybody knows that one is amazing for like brightening. It's got zinc and it's also amazing for hyperpigmentation as well. But I am still looking for a good serum that is amazing for hyperpigmentation. So baddies, please comment below and let me know if you guys know any good serums that are like amazing for spots, hyperpigmentation, and stuff like that. Because I'm not going to do anything about the breakouts. I do my best. I drink the green tea. I detox as much as I can and clean it from the inside. I drink my water. I eat healthy. Well, I do my best, but I can't do anything about new spots. What I can do stuff about is actually doing something about the spots that are being perceived that I did that are now just saying hello, and it's like I want to say goodbye, So next step is going in with my primer. So I love this primer because it is What I don't like about it though, it feels like my SPF, but I do like it because it's pore minimizing. It's not extremely pore minimizing, so I don't want to sell the wrong image to you guys, but it really does help absorb the makeup in. I think Maybelline created an amazing formula that does let somewhat the product sit in a gliding way on top of your skin. But of course, I always mix my primers up because I also use a Jelly Grip primer from She Glam, and I have been loving this primer so much, especially for its affordability and the fact that it literally resembles the elf cosmetics primer. And why am I saying elf cosmetics primer? And yeah, I've been hearing amazing reviews about it, so I gave it a try and I've really been loving it. The only thing I don't like about this primer is that, I don't know, something weird happens where it goes white. But I've been seeing a lot of my YouTube baddies have that problem as well, so I don't want to overthink it, but I need something that won't do that, because if I'm doing like some makeup clients, I don't need that happening to me, because I don't even know how to explain this situation. Maybe I should just Google it. Hey, maybe I should just Google it. Alrighty, I actually just googled it right now, and it says that it's due to the interference of like a lot of products, b your sunscreen leaving some sort of residue. And in my mind, I'm just like, okay, but my sunscreen is Garnier and it says that it doesn't leave a white cast. So maybe when activated with a serum, it goes weird like that. I don't know, but yeah, now I'm gonna go in and start drawing in my eyebrows, because I've also let the skin prep and everything set in my skin so that it's actually functional. And yeah, I'm gonna let it dry out a little bit while I draw my eyebrows. And yeah, I just basically carve out the shape that I'm looking for. Always make sure, you guys, to keep your eyebrow pencil as sharp as you can. I've learned that the hard way throughout the years. I don't know why I've been stubborn, but I'm actually trying to relearn makeup again. But yeah, make sure to keep your eyebrow pencil as sharp as you can. You guys, the way I've been trying to up my eyebrow game, I'm literally have been trying my best to achieve the eyebrow that you like get to see on those beauty glam girls that like go for weddings and stuff like that. Like, I wish I can rock full wedding makeup on a daily basis. I don't know if that's crazy, but that's my vibe, that's my style. And I know it's not crazy. I think it's crazy just on the fact that, like, who's gonna be doing that for me every single day? Myself. And that's why I need to learn. So while doing my eyebrows, I always make sure that I go in with a lighter concealer at the bottom just to carve them out, and then obviously a foundation color at the top just to make it look natural. So the key is to always try your best to make the eyebrow look actually very natural as you can. So let it fade into the skin as you can. But my thing is like, and then how do I make it pop? So yeah, I try my best to brighten it with the under painting part of it. So like under the eyebrow, when I use the lighter concealer to make the eyebrow pop a bit. And then the next step, now that I know that like my skin prep and everything and my primers have actually gripped onto my skin and been absorbed by my skin, I go in with my spot corrector. There is no better spot corrector than this LA Girl corrector. I've used the spot corrector from Crayolan, and it's amazing as well, but obviously the price of Crayolan is like out of this world. It's unreal. I don't even know. I don't even want to talk about the prices from Crayolan. They make me, I will get there. I will get there. In Jesus' name, we will get there. But right now, the LA Girl Cosmetics spot concealer is amazing in all its shades, in all its colors. The formula is creamy, the formula is full coverage, and you just don't even really need to worry about your spots showing up underneath your foundation. Like, you really can set yourself free. That's how amazing this product is. And of course, everything that we do, we always make sure that we blend it out so that it doesn't look patchy, it doesn't look weird. Blending out is like such an essential step, you guys. Like, I cannot emphasize that enough. So always make sure you do that. So I'm going in with 2 foundations right now. I really like the tone of these foundations. I super love the Maybelline foundation. Like, I love it more than the Estee Lauder foundation. Like, I love Estee Lauder. It's amazing full coverage. It's amazing for acne prone skin, girl. It's a long way. But the Maybelline foundation, like, the way it's so creamy, I just love that consistency. But now that the new Maybelline is out, the new foundation is out, I can't wait to try that one, and hopefully I'll get to review it with you guys here. But yeah, blend your foundation out, and then now we're going in with a concealer. I love this concealer as well. Like, I don't know, Maybelline is amazing. Like, let's give it its accolades, you guys. These formulas are just amazing for acne prone skin. I can't even lie to you. My skin gets oily, but by the end of the day, let me tell you something. By the end of this day, you will literally feel like nothing has happened to your skin. Apart from certain parts that don't have the Maybelline product, maybe you've used another product. I would sell literally for Maybelline. I don't know if that sounds crazy, but I would go on the streets and say, power to Maybelline, you know? But of course, I'm going to learn about new brands, so let me not be too attached to Maybelline so I can have a heart for more things. But yeah, I like to not play with my concealer. I pack the product on. I'm like a full coverage girly, so anyone who knows me, please keep that in mind. Don't be shocked when you see the amount of product that I put in my face. I love it. It's a choice that I make, that I sleep in bed knowing I made that choice and knowing I'm super happy about it, you know? So now I'm going in with my contour. I know that contour is supposed to basically shadow up your face and sculpt it so that the brighter parts shine in a different way, but like also you're literally creating a new face. But I just prefer a warmer tone. I know it's supposed to be cooler. I have a Rimmel foundation that I use as my contour, but I just really didn't like what it made me look like. It just made everything super cool. Maybe it's my product distribution. I don't know. I'll figure that out because obviously we're still learning here. But yeah, I just love how warm this concealer is. And it just blends very well with my face, and it's hyperpigmented, so I love that I don't need to do a lot of applications. So yeah, we always blend every single thing out. Always make sure you blend in the zone that you're trying to accentuate, girlies. Okay, so don't let the product be flying everywhere. Now next thing you are seeing your contour on your chin. No, be neat. Color in the sections. I always let my concealer sit in my face so it can be absorbed by my face, so it can oxidize if it oxidizes, and do everything it needs to do, you know, in its nature before I go in and blend it out. So what I also find about this technique is that you will find that it becomes even more full coverage when it's more dry and pasty. So yes, it doesn't create creases in this form. It's just amazing in this form. So after that, I obviously add in my lighter powders in the middle, my darker powders on the outside of my face to contour my face a bit. Then we're gonna go in and bake. But before baking, I'm gonna sculpt my nose. this is also something I'm really trying to still learn. The fact that contouring your nose is something that is still evolving is just a bit insane, because it's like, oh my gosh, I still need to get the hang of it first before it's evolving so much. The amount of techniques, the amount of styles, the amount of everything that you see on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, I just can't even deal anymore. I think I'm even I'm overstimulated from all the makeup tricks that are out there. Like, guys, you don't need to follow every makeup trend. Sometimes you just need to have fun with your own makeup. I'm a firm believer of enjoy what you're doing, because you will burn out. Like, I know from personal experience, I burnt out just because I didn't have fun with my makeup. I was depressed over, well, not fully depressed, but like I was very depressed over like the amount of new stuff, the amount of new tricks. And then I was like, you know what, slow down. You'll get there. You'll try these things out. God has given you life to fall, stumble, and stand back up again, So yeah, then we contour, we blend out the contour of this nose so that we can sculpt it and snatch it like it's never been fat before, and it's laugh, honey, So yeah, this is the step where I go in with my powder and I make sure to really pack that in. So with my brushes as well, when I dip into my powder, I always make sure to dip a lot and then tap it out so that the excess product is out. But I don't want to be swiping, and then there's some sections of the brush now that don't have products and then other sections do. It's just annoying. Right after that, I go in with a super lighter powder in the middle just to brighten up my face. And then, of course, the queen, the creme de la creme of the whole show, which is the setting powder. The setting powder basically sucks all the moisture from all the products and, keeps your makeup in place. Then you go in with your setting spray. Then you go in with your fixing spray. And then, girls, you literally have the full ultimate face beat, But don't forget to bake. After everything that you do, baking is essential. Like, it's essential. You will go to jail if you do not bake your face. If you do not let all those products sit together and gel together, you will literally go to jail. If you do not apply that fixing powder, that setting spray or that fixing spray, you will go to jail. You will literally go to jail. I'm joking. But yeah, it's essential. That's how essential it is, So I use a powder puff. This powder puff I got from She Glam. So it's amazing. It's so fluffy and it absorbs a lot of the product. This powder puff I got from She Glam. It's amazing. I blend out the rest of my makeup. Then I apply my setting and fixing spray. Then we obviously drew our lip. And I'm going in with my Thrill Seeker from Rimmel. It's an amazing lip gloss. It smells literally like candy floss. It even tastes like candy floss. It's so amazing. Like, the formula of this lip gloss, it's long lasting and it's vegan. So again, it's like another point to my list of things that I'm doing for this earth. But there you have it, baddies. This is the full look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys love it. Please don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you're into. Let me know what you don't like. All your comments are really valued. And thank you so much for those who have been supporting me. I really appreciate their efforts. Love you, baddies, and stay hot.